Snapchat has added a new feature called Home Safe, which makes it easy to let your loved ones know you've made it home from an outing. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Home Safe on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To use Home Safe on Snapchat, open the Snapchat app and tap the map icon at the bottom. Then tap your Bitmoji. Tap Home. Tap Great. Tap Save. Before leaving your house, go to your chat with the person you want to send Home Safe reminders to. Tap the map icon next to the message text box. Then tap Home Safe. Tap Let's Go. Once you turn this on, you can go out wherever you're heading. Once you get back to your saved home location, your friend will receive a message on Snapchat saying you're home safely. This is a one-off setting, so redo this setup process each time you want to send a Home Safe message to any of your loved ones. That's all it takes to use Home Safe on Snapchat. To learn about other cool Snapchat features, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.